Pleasure everyone, I'm Malik. My today's video is for all the company owners, all the company bosses, and the employees of the company, especially HR department. I have worked with multinationals like Americans, Britons, Japanese, Koreans, Arabians, and the Pakistanis. After working with all of them, I brought today the top 7 strategies to build up your high-performance team for your company. If you're looking to make your company on the autopilot, then this video is for you. Trust me. So give it 5 minutes and you will have it. The company growth is totally depending on your customer satisfaction rate. And to achieve this customer satisfaction rate, you need to make your employees happy. So more you keep your employees happy, they will look after your customers accordingly. So let's start with the strategies. Strategy number 1, create a growth path. Your company should have a well-defined growth path for all the applicants, right? They should know that if they are starting from the small position, for how long they're going to take to reach the top position. Starting from the system manager, general manager, vice president, president, or the CEO. They should know that. And you should have a reserved quota for the males, females, and transgender especially. Don't ignore them. This is our corporate social responsibility to accommodate them as per their skills. The strategy number 2. What is that? Always celebrate small success of your team members. Right? Whoever does well in your team, in your flow, in your office during the day, stand up everyone and start appreciating. Yes, very well done, you did an amazing job. What it will create? It will create 2 impacts. One, psychological impact, and other one is a physiological impact. It will create a great perception by doing such action. Remember my word, any task in the company that gets appreciated gets replicated. Any task in the company that gets appreciated gets replicated. So strategy number 3, fellowship meals or potluck activity. Once a week or twice a month, it's your choice. Ask each of your employees to bring homemade food, one dish, right? And eat together with all of the team members, right? And try to praise each of them. That's how you can create feeling of family between your employees, between your team members. Any family that eats and prays together, that stays together. Strategy number 4, encourage health of your employees. I give you an idea for that. Ask every employee to download the Google Fit app in their mobile. Ask them to do 3 kilometers in 30 minutes for 5 days a week, right? And ask them to share that Google Fit stat with your HR department and monetize this activity. If they have a healthy mental life, healthy physical life, they will do well in your company. So strategy number 5, the Thanksgiving activity. Find any central space in your office and put the gratitude board on the wall, right? Or maybe Thanksgiving board on the wall, whatever you want to name, it's your choice. Ask each of your employee or team members, whoever gives a favor to the fellow team member, ask them to put thanks note to that gratitude board, paste it on the gratitude board with the name on it. It will create the great team member to team member engagement, right? I had revised one phrase for this. If you do this activity for a month, one day you will find one thing. Team member in need is a team member indeed. Trust me on this. The strategy number 6, always acknowledge your employee. Try to acknowledge them on the weekly level, monthly level, or quarterly level. It will create the great motivation in them, especially to those employees who are not performing well. They will also start performing well in your company. And the last strategy, monetization of the KPI. Monetize their key performance indicators. They should know if they do well throughout the week, they will be monetized. If they do well throughout the month, they will be monetized. If they do well throughout the quarter, they will be monetized. And make sure what you promise them, you must do it. That's how you will be building up your high performance team. Remember my word. And one thing in the last, if you need any assistance for your company, how to do it, we are bringing a very great leadership development programs in the future, and you can contact us and one of my team member will be assisting you in this. All right. Thank you so much. Have a very good weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.